Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to learn addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Plus 1 is equal to minus 9 plus 10. The same way in the tens place rod also we have to do calculation with the help of big friends formula, right? So, plus 10 is equal to minus 90 plus 100. Okay, regarding these formulas, we are going to do sums today. Okay, clear the scale. First one, 63 plus 36 plus 10 minus 9. Okay, 63 plus 36 plus 10. 10 means what you have to do? Take the formula. Plus 10 formula is what? Because here I can't add, already 90 is there. So what you have to do? You have to use this formula. Minus 90 plus 100. Minus 90 plus 100. Next, minus 9. So minus 9 I can do directly because the number is available for me. So what you have to do? I have done already. Now what is the answer now? 100. Okay, clear the scale. Second one, 14 plus 25 plus 51 minus 20. 14 plus 25 plus 51. Again, here what you have to do? 51 means already I am having 9 in the ones place rod. Now here I am not having one bit to add directly. So what you have to do? You have to use plus 1 formula. Add 1 is equal to less 9, add 10. Plus 1 is equal to minus 9 plus 10. Minus 9 plus 10. Got it? Next, minus 20. Minus 20, for me it is available because 40 is there in the tens place rod. Sorry, 90 is the answer in the tens place rod still now. So what I can do? I can do minus 20 directly. Minus 20. So what is the answer now? 7070. Clear the scale. Third one, 29 plus 11 minus 20 plus 56. 29 plus 11. So as I am having beads available in the tens place rod, I have added one bead in the tens place rod. But coming to the ones place rod, I am not having the bead to add. So what I have to do? I have to use the big friends formula. Less 9, add 10. Got it? Next, minus 20. Minus 20 I can do directly because the beads are available for me to do. Next, plus 56. Plus 56. What is the answer now? 76. Got it? Okay, next, fourth one. Clear the scale. What is the fourth one? 97 plus 12 plus 10 minus 16. 97 plus 12 means in the tens place rod you have to add one bit, but it is not available. So what you have to do? You have to take plus 10 formula. What is that? Minus 90, add 100. Next, in the ones place rod 2. I can add directly because I am having beads available. So next, plus 10. Yeah, beads are available now. I will add directly. Next, minus 16. Minus 16. So what is the answer now? 103. 103. Clear the scale. 59 plus 21. In the ones place rod you have to add 1. But here for me 1 is not available in the ones place rod. What I should do? I should take the formula plus 1 is equal to minus 9, add 10. Next, minus 20. Next, 35, add 35. 35. What is the answer now? 95. Okay, now clear the scale. Next one, 83 plus 16 plus 11 plus 23. 83 plus 16 plus 11. See here, in the tens place rod also I am not having the beads to add. In ones place rod also I am not having beads to add. So first what you have to do? You have to do calculation from the tens place rod. Minus 90 plus 100 in the ones place rod, minus 9 plus 10. Got it? Next, plus 23. 23. What is the answer? 133. Got it? Next, clear the scale. 7th one. 77 plus 21 plus 11 minus 9. 77 plus 21 plus 11 means minus 90 plus 100. 1. In the ones place rod 1 is available, right? So I will add directly. Next, minus 9. Minus 9. So I got the answer easily. What is the answer now? 100. Clear the scale. 97 plus 12 plus 70 minus 23. 97 plus 12 means in the tens place rod 1 is not available. 1 bead is not available in the tens place rod. So what you have to do? You have to use the formula. Minus 90 plus 100. 2 in the ones place rod. It's available, so I have done directly. Plus 70. Here also it's available. 70 is available, so I have added directly. So I have added 70 directly because the beads are available for me in the tens place rod. Next, minus 23. Minus 23. I have done directly because there is no need of formula. We can do it directly because the beads are available in that calculation. So what you have to, what is the answer now? 156. Clear the scale. 65 plus 14 plus 11 minus 40. 65 plus 14 plus 11. In the tens place rod, 1 bead is available, so I have added. But in the ones place rod, to add 1, here the beads are not available. So what you have to do? You have to use the formula. Less 9, add 10. Next, minus 40. What is the answer now? 50. Very simple, friends. Only thing is you have to practice formulas number of times. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more updates, and in the next video we are going to see plus 2 formula, big friends formula, plus 2 and plus 20. Okay friends, bye, take care.